What proportion did you start investing and ये percentage proportion
I was
कैसे
really
increase किया?
dumb. पहले तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया था. I had all the money in the savings account. Then I said, let me invest all of it. Because then I got excited. And it was 100% equity. It was a totally dumb idea because, one, I was dating / now married to someone who was also in the same profession. And what people don't realize about finance people is कि हमारा profession बहुत risky profession है. जब market अच्छा होता है ना, तो हमारे फंड्स भी अच्छा करते हैं, हमारी एनएवी भी बढ़ती है, हमारे बोनस भी बढ़ते हैं, हमारे ईसॉप भी बढ़ते हैं. जब मार्केट उल्टा होता है ना, तो ये सब उल्टा होता है. सो वी कैरी नेचुरली अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्क इन आवर प्रोफेशन. सो एक्चुअली एट दैट पॉइंट आई शुड हैव बीन वेरी कंजर्वेटिव और मेरा इरादा इंडिया वापस आने का था. एंड सो आई नीडेड द कैपिटल in 2009 when I came back to start a PMS business, and unfortunately I had to redeem it at a very big loss. So it was my greatest investment learning.
Oh, is it? You lost
So
all
we
your money?
redeemed the capital at 40 because आपको पता है 2007 के बाद मार्केट 50% गिरा 2008 में. It came back in 2009. But we didn't have contingency money. And see, if you remember, to start a PMS in India, पहले minimum 50 lakh होता था. When I moved to India, suddenly the minimum went from 50 lakhs to 2 crores. So we had to fund that. So it was really crazy.
Got it. How did you cope up with that? Like, was it a setback for you?
It was because, I had, I think about 75 to 80 lakhs of savings. So I had thought कि मैं 13-14 lakh कंपनी में लगा दूंगी. There were 3 partners, तो 50 lakh का capital divided by 3, and I have 40-50 lakhs. I can live on and all that. Suddenly I realized I had to put 67 lakhs of capital in. My bank account literally had a few lakhs left. And Bombay बहुत महंगा शहर है.
Yeah.
So I think the first few years of entrepreneurship were very hard.
And then how did the turning point happen? What was the tipping point?
So actually business became better. We started by managing सिर्फ 25 लाख का हम कैपिटल मैनेज करते थे. 2 करोड़ हो गया, 10 हो गया, 100 हो गया, 200 हो गया. Then we sold the business to Edelweiss, made some money as entrepreneurs, obviously started getting larger compensation, and then gradually the turnaround started.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.